video, you will learn how to assemble and install an outside variable angle panel. Here we have 3 different clips. The first clip is used for an inside variable corner version. The second clip is used for an outside variable corner, which we'll be using in this video. And the center clips are used in both variable angle versions. To assemble, prepare your white vinyl tape strips, then slide the clips into place at both ends of the panel, then tape the sides down. Use the same method for the center clips, insert and tape down. Next, grab the center clamps with the 45-degree ends and place down. Insert and hand tighten the hardware throughout the center of the clamps, then return and tighten with a ratchet to finish the assembly. To install, place a mitered bottom rail and secure. Slide flush next to the existing wall panel and secure in place. Continue adding modular wall panels as needed. In this demo, we are using a 12-inch and starter panel. Here's a quick tip. For tight areas, you will need a right angle adapter to drive in the screws. Finish the installation by adding a top rail. Adjust the panels to the desired angle. You've now completed an outside variable angle installation.